this is Jovanka from JovankaCRS.com, and today's episode is about superfoods that you should be consuming every day. This was inspired by a conversation that I had with a client of mine who asked me about what were the top 10 superfoods out there. What is actually a superfood? The reality of the matter is that if you ask 20 experts what's a superfood, you most likely get about 20 different answers. And that is because there is no such thing as a standard for the term superfood, and because there are just too many things in nature that can fit in the category of superfood. To me, a superfood is a compound and a food that contain a high amount of different nutrients like enzymes, vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and that also have a beneficial use inside your body, some kind of medicinal use. I am talking about foods that have one thing in common. They're filled with nutrients that will keep you healthy and feeling great from the inside out. Experts like David Wolfe have said that superfoods are considered the most potent, concentrated, and nutrient-rich foods on the planet. They're tasty, they're satisfying, and they have the ability to increase your body's vital force and energy. They can improve your overall health. They can boost your immune system. They can cleanse, which is something that I truly champion. And they have the ability to alkalize your body. So they are superfoods because they make you look and feel super. Here are my top 10 superfoods that you should be including in your diet every day. Avocados. Avocados are a fruit, but they have a high content of essential and beneficial oils, which make them very suitable to be eaten with other types of foods. The natives of the Americas have been using avocados for thousands of years. They are really a great food. They help you increase the absorption of other nutrients, and they have great anti-aging qualities. They have been shown to improve the skin epidermis by boosting collagen formation. Avocados also contain specific amino acids that are really high antioxidants that reduce age spots, soothe inflammation, and heal scars and burns. Kale. This leafy green vegetable is a superfood of superfoods. I love kale. It has more absorbable iron and calcium than red meat and dairy respectively. It helps maintain healthy nervous and immune systems, and it also helps regulate the enzymes that exist with clearing toxins out of your body. It has a very good flavor, so most people actually like it, and you can use it in your smoothies, in your sautés, in your salads, in your soups. It's very versatile, and it's an amazing food for you. Berries. And I'm talking about all different kinds of berries. Blueberries, strawberries, almost every berry out there, including the fancy goji berries, are amazing. They're packed with an incredible amount of nutritional goodness in a tiny little package. They're very low in calories. They're filled with antioxidants and phytonutrients that help you fight that aging process and crazy disease like cancer. Sea vegetables. These include kelp, nori, blue-green algae, spirulina. Sea vegetables help you remove heavy metals. They detoxify the body as well, and they provide a lot of trace minerals. They are also known to regulate cholesterol and to decrease the risk of cancer. They tend to benefit the entire body, especially the thyroid gland. They're very good for your immune system and for your adrenals as well. Sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes because they're packed with vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin C, and they're very sweet and delicious. And the good thing about them is that they rarely need that pick-me-up stuff that people tend to add to other baked potatoes like salt and butter to enhance their flavor. They don't need any of that stuff. They can help you control your weight as they have a type of carbohydrate that increases the production of a certain hormone that signals your brain to stop eating. Don't you love it? Spinach. Spinach is filled with antioxidants, it's very high in vitamin C. It also has a lot of other phytonutrients that protect your eyes and other organs. It is a great source of iron and calcium, and it has pretty much double the daily requirement of vitamin K, which is great to protect your cardiovascular health and your bone health. Seeds, and lots of seeds. I'm talking about flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. They contain a lot of minerals like magnesium, like potassium, like zinc. They protect and promote healing of your skin, and there's a lot of other good benefits to them. They help lower your cholesterol, they provide omega-3s and omega-6 fatty acids. There's seeds like flax seeds that are known to prevent anything from heart disease to cancers that are sensitive to different kinds of hormones. In fact, a 2010 study in the Journal of Nutrition suggested that flax seeds may even help reduce belly fat. Nuts. Nuts offer a nutritious package of protein, of fiber, and heart-healthy unsaturated fat. So they tend to be one of nature's perfect foods. They can help you decrease your risk of cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and others. Nuts are really great. They also help you control your weight, and they have the added benefit of reducing visible signs of aging like wrinkles and sagging skin. Quinoa. I've talk about quinoa all the time. It's one of the best whole grains out there. It is just ridiculously easy to prepare, and it is packed with protein and with lots of fiber. And it's also a great natural source of iron and zinc and vitamin E to help you control your weight and lower your risk of heart disease and diabetes. Quinoa is even easier to prepare than rice, and it can be eaten alone or mixed with vegetables. It is a highly versatile food. Try it. You won't regret it. Beans. Beans are a fabulous source of vegetarian protein and fiber, both of whom will help you stay full and satisfied longer. The protein and the fiber in beans also help you reduce your blood sugar highs and lows, and the fiber in the beans will help you stay regular. That means it will help you poop like a champion. Beans are very low in fat, and they're a great source of magnesium and potassium, and those things will work really great together to help you lower your blood pressure and keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. So which ones of these superfoods do you consume every day? Or which ones are you willing to try next? Let me know by leaving a comment below. Share this video with all of your friends all over the internet. And for more great tips on how to live a healthy, happy, and beautiful life, sign up for my weekly newsletter at JovancaCRS.com. See you soon.